Ha?
Cleanser. Then I use this as a
Hoy,
makeup remover as well.
natumba ka ba?
So I don't have to carry
Natumba ka?
because when you travel, you have to pack light because of the weight
Natumba ka?
limitations, right? So what I do is I
Natumba ka
use
ba?
this as my cleanser and my makeup remover, so I don't have to bring
Naka-video
my
ka, oh.
remover with me. And it
Zoe,
works just as
Zoe,
quick.
naka-video ka.
After using my cleanser, I usually use
Hoy.
my soap. I got this
Zoe.
one. And then you can just slice
Wow, ang ganda naman, no? Ano ba yun?
Like containers, like mine.
Sa TV, kaganda.
Bring the whole block of soap. And then toothbrush, toothpaste, floss, and scraper.
Uy,
Okay.
There you go.
So do you recommend travelers to bring that?
paka-drama naman ng anak ko.
I've been on a flight. I actually
Yay!
on the
Naka-video.
Yeah.
Video. Oh, hi ka daw, hi.
Airlines.
Steven, tawag mo si Steven.
They're cost cutting, so they don't
Hi, Ber.
anymore give you
Sam,
this for free, so you can bring your
ate.
mask.
Usually
Kuya.
hotels provide many bottles of shampoo and other
Kuya
things like
G.
that. But it's always good to have your own
Sino pa?
products when you're home away from home. There are a lot
Sanse.
of
anti-dizziness,
Riche.
over-the-counter medications that you can take before you leave,
Mamena,
so you don't get dizzy on the flight.
Mars,
But there are also some cosmetic
Mami,
solutions. There are some
Daddy.
balms or like
Ay.
creams that you can apply or rub on your forehead or your temples so you won't get dizzy or nauseous.
love you.
Whether you travel
I love you.
air or land,
Thank you. Say thank you.
so make
Say
sure
thank you.
travel in beauty
Thank
and
you.
comfort.
Say thank you. Thank you. Say thank you.
The
Happy.
atmosphere was definitely festive as the stars came down.
Happy. I love you. Happy.
Summer Aquafest last February. We spotted some fashionistas as they
Happy
crochet on the world-renowned water sports complex
Day.
and had
to-
them for short tete-a-tete on their favorite outfits this season.
Kanta ka daw, kanta ka. Dagat ay na sa lupa mahi ang nais sana'y minsan makita maka sama tahaki ng mundo na't hawak habang sa puso ay nasa piling bawat sanda mala yay gusto mo ba maging handa habang iba ng gagambi no lalo la bongga nakakalo.
We were seated in a dinner, summer dinner. I mean, a cocktail dinner also.
Convince?
And then,
Oh. Uy, kahit
definitely a pair of jeans.
pag-ibig mo maramdaman
Shorts.
man lang
Neon, puffy, like mountain.
mayakap
Never.
ako.
Like a lot of Europeans also sometimes even when you're in bars, like wearing a thong, right? And you can see like all the freaking cellulite and stuff. So
I
a
love
thong bikini I wouldn't be wearing that.
Dila.
Rubber shoes. And pants and long sleeves.
Ganda ng anak ko. Convince?